Stay consistent. Feel the difference.
Have you noticed how your skin feels less firm, drier, and more fragile as the years go by? Wrinkles and sagging aren't just about age there. A sign that your skin isn't receiving the support it needs to repair and renew itself. Collagen production slows, hydration declines, and even expensive creams often fail to deliver the results you hope for. But what if there was a centuries-old secret that could help restore softness, prove elasticity, and brighten your skin without harsh chemicals or invasive treatments? In Japan, a simple parsley-based ritual has been quietly passed down for over 200 years. This isn't a gimmick or a trend. It's a gentle, natural method designed to work with your skin, not against it. It helps aging skin regain moisture, firmness, and resilience slowly, steadily, and effectively. What makes it so remarkable is that it treats the skin as part of the whole body, supporting circulation, delivering antioxidants, and allowing your skin to repair itself naturally. The first step is to prepare fresh parsley. The leaves are carefully washed to remove any residue, then steeped in warm water, not boiling, to preserve their nutrients. This creates a nourishing infusion that the skin can absorb, helping to stimulate circulation and deliver vital antioxidants deep into the tissue. Even the simple act of slow preparation matters. When you take the time to treat your skin gently, it responds more effectively, absorbing nutrients instead of being overwhelmed. Next, the infusion is thickened slightly, using natural ingredients to create a soft, spreadable texture. This isn't about making a heavy cream, it's about giving your skin something to hold on to, so the nourishment stays in place long enough to do its work. Once the base is ready, a few drops of vitamin E are added. Vitamin E protects the skin from oxidative stress, helping to prevent further damage while supporting repair. Almond oil is then incorporated to restore flexibility. Aging skin often feels stiff or tight, and this oil closely mimics your skin's natural lipids, allowing it to stretch and move naturally without cracking or pulling. Finally, aloe is added to calm the skin and lock in hydration. Aloe supports cellular repair and strengthens the skin barrier, reducing the low-grade inflammation that quietly accelerates wrinkles. Application is just as important as preparation. For best results, apply the cream slowly, using gentle upward motions on clean, slightly damp skin. Pause between strokes, allowing your skin to absorb the nutrients fully. This ritual works best in the evening when the skin's natural repair processes are most active. Over time, the skin begins to feel calmer, softer, and more resilient. The fine lines around the eyes and mouth appear less pronounced, and your complexion starts to glow with a natural radiance. Consistency is key. Unlike rush treatments that promise overnight results, this ritual requires patience, but the benefits are lasting. Just a few sessions each week can help your skin remember how to repair itself, regain elasticity, and maintain moisture balance. The simplicity of this tradition is what makes it so effective: gentle care, consistent attention, and respect for your skin's natural rhythm. If you're ready to try this 200-year-old Japanese parsley ritual, take a few moments each evening to care for your skin in a mindful way. Slowly, your skin will respond. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to tap like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Healthy Aging to discover more tips that help you look and feel your best as you age. Your skin deserves care that is gentle, effective, and timeless, and this ritual has proven that for over 2 centuries.